Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Stessa for rental property expense tracking and reports, complete guide step by step clearly. To activate Stessa for rental property expense tracking, first, visit the Stessa website. Click on the sign up button located on the home page. Fill in the required fields, including your name, email address, and a secure password. After entering your information, click on the Create Account button. You will receive a confirmation email shortly after. Open the email and click the provided link to verify your account. Once verified, return to the Stessa website and log in using your credentials. After logging in, you will be prompted to set up your property. Select Add Property to enter the details of your rental property. Fill in the property address, type, and other relevant information. Once you've entered the property details, click Save to complete the setup. Next, navigate to the Transactions tab in the dashboard. Here, you can start adding your rental income and expenses. To add an expense, click the Add Expense button. Fill in the required fields, such as date, amount, and category of the expense. You can also upload receipts for better tracking. Click Save to record the expense in your account. Repeat the process to track all relevant expenses and any rental income you receive. To view your reports, click on the Reports section in the main menu. Choose the type of report you wish to generate, such as an expense report or income statement. Customize the date range for your report. Click on Generate Report to see the results. Review the generated reports for insights into your rental property's financial performance. Stessa also allows you to export reports as needed. Navigate to the Export option to download a copy of your report. You're now set up to track your rental property expenses efficiently using Stessa. Regularly update your transactions to keep your records accurate and up to date. Explore additional features on the dashboard for enhanced property management. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.